Today we've got an epic showdown for you. It's a clash between two titans of the full-size luxury SUV world, the 2025 BMW X7 and the 2025 Lexus LX. Both vehicles are designed to offer more than just transportation. They're statements of style, power, and technological innovation. But when you're spending north of $85,000, which one truly delivers the experience you deserve? The BMW X7, known for its sleek sophistication and dynamic performance, goes head-to-head with the Lexus LX, a name synonymous with rugged luxury and bulletproof reliability. They cater to different philosophies. The X7 is the suave, tech-savvy urbanite, while the LX is the bold adventurer with a touch of elegance. In this video, we'll dive deep into their performance, design, tech, and overall value to find out which one deserves the crown. So, buckle up because this is going to be an exciting ride. For 2025, both the BMW X7 and the Lexus LX come with subtle yet impactful updates that refine their identities. The BMW X7, always a frontrunner in tech innovation, introduces an upgraded driving assistance professional package. This isn't just your typical cruise control. It now allows for hands-free driving at speeds of up to 85 miles per hour, making long highway drives feel effortless. But the real showstopper? BMW's new AI-activated lane change system. Imagine this: you're cruising along, the car suggests a lane change, and all you need to do is glance at your side mirror. No need to touch the steering wheel or flick the turn signal. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's here today. Meanwhile, the 2025 Lexus LX sticks to what it does best: refining rugged luxury. Lexus knows its audience, and instead of radical changes, it focuses on enhancing what already works. The interior receives upgraded materials, giving the cabin an even more premium feel. The infotainment system is smoother and more responsive, a welcome tweak for tech-savvy drivers. On the outside, fresh wheel designs and subtle styling updates keep the LX looking bold and contemporary. But it's not just about looks. Lexus has fine-tuned its off-road capabilities, ensuring that the LX remains a beast both on the pavement and off the beaten path. Both SUVs evolve in ways that reflect their core identities. The X7 pushes boundaries with futuristic tech, while the LX doubles down on its legendary durability and refined luxury. But which approach wins in the real world? Stick around as we compare their performance, interiors, and driving dynamics to help you decide which luxury SUV truly reigns supreme. When it comes to exterior design, the 2025 BMW X7 and the 2025 Lexus LX are like two luxury icons dressed for very different occasions. The BMW X7 leans heavily into a sleek, modern aesthetic. Its bold kidney grille, polarizing to some but undeniably attention-grabbing, is flanked by sharp, squinting LED headlights that give it a futuristic edge. The sculpted body lines, chrome accents, and aerodynamic curves scream sophistication, making the X7 feel right at home in upscale urban environments. Plus, for 2025, BMW introduces new 23-inch wheels that add an extra layer of road presence, though they slightly compromise ride comfort. On the flip side, the Lexus LX isn't trying to be sleek, it's designed to be bold and unapologetically rugged. The massive spindle grille dominates the front end, flanked by aggressive triple-beam LED headlights that give it a commanding, almost intimidating road presence. Its boxier profile is less about aerodynamics and more about durability, reinforcing its off-road heritage. The new wheel designs and subtle tweaks for 2025 keep the LX looking fresh without straying from its muscular go-anywhere roots. So, which one takes the crown? Personally, I'd give the edge to the BMW X7. Its design feels more refined and modern, exuding a sophisticated charm that stands out in the luxury SUV crowd. But if rugged head-turning boldness is your vibe, the LX won't disappoint. It's a statement on wheels. Step inside, and the story shifts dramatically. The 2025 BMW X7's interior is a masterclass in modern luxury. The dashboard is dominated by a sleek curved display, combining a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen, all seamlessly integrated into a single glass panel. The materials feel premium at every touchpoint, with options like Vernasca leather, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. Comfort is top-notch, especially in the first two rows, with heated power-adjustable seats that offer memory settings. However, the third row feels a bit cramped, and cargo space is somewhat limited compared to rivals. Now, stepping into the Lexus LX feels like entering a different kind of luxury, one that prioritizes rugged elegance with a focus on durability. The materials are plush yet practical, designed to withstand both the rigors of off-road adventures and the demands of daily driving. The 12.3-inch infotainment screen is paired with a secondary 7-inch display for climate controls, creating a layered, functional design. The LX's seats are incredibly comfortable, with soft leather upholstery and available massaging features in higher trims. Plus, the second row space feels more generous than the X7's, although the third row, like the BMW, is still tight for adults on long trips. So, who wins this round? For me, it's the BMW X7 again. Its cabin feels more futuristic, with cutting-edge tech that blends seamlessly into the design. The minimalist yet luxurious vibe is hard to beat. That said, if you prefer a more traditional rugged luxury feel with practical controls and off-road-ready durability, the Lexus LX holds its ground firmly. It's less about flashy tech and more about timeless comfort. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BMW X7 and the Lexus LX are like two athletes with very different training regimens. The BMW X7 is the sleek, agile sprinter, especially in its M60i variant. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, boosted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering an exhilarating 523 horsepower. This powerhouse rockets the X7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, impressive for an SUV of its size. The handling is razor-sharp for a vehicle this large, thanks to its adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, giving you that signature BMW driving feel, precise, smooth, and confidence-inspiring even on tight corners. Now, the Lexus LX plays a different game. It's the heavyweight champion, built to conquer terrains the X7 wouldn't dare approach. The 2025 LX is powered by a robust 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6, churning out 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. It's not as quick off the line, taking about 6.1 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour, but speed isn't the LX's focus. Its full-time four-wheel drive system, multi-terrain select, and advanced crawl control make it a beast off-road. Where the X7 excels on the pavement, the LX dominates when the road disappears, with a rugged suspension designed to soak up the harshest bumps without flinching. So, who wins this round? For me, it's the BMW X7. Its thrilling acceleration, agile handling, and refined driving dynamics make it the more engaging SUV on paved roads. But if off-road prowess is your priority, the LX is the undisputed champ. It's built to handle adventures the X7 wouldn't even consider. Fuel economy is an important factor when you're dealing with large luxury SUVs, and unsurprisingly, neither the X7 nor the LX is what you'd call eco-friendly, but there's still a noticeable difference. The BMW X7, thanks to its mild hybrid technology and more aerodynamic design, delivers around 21 miles per gallon combined in its base xDrive 40i variant. Even the more powerful M60i manages to stay relatively efficient given its V8 engine, averaging about 17 miles per gallon combined. On the other hand, the Lexus LX, with its twin-turbo V6 and heavy-duty four-wheel drive system, is thirstier. It averages around 17 miles per gallon combined, and that number can dip significantly if you're tackling off-road trails or towing heavy loads. Its focus on rugged performance comes at the cost of efficiency. The winner here? It's the BMW X7. Its blend of power and relative fuel efficiency gives it the edge, especially if you're using it primarily for city driving and long highway cruises. The LX isn't terrible, but its off-road hardware adds weight, and that translates to more frequent stops at the pump. Technology is where these two SUVs really start to show their distinct personalities. The 2025 BMW X7 feels like a rolling tech hub. It boasts the latest version of BMW's iDrive 8.5 system, displayed on a massive curved 14.9-inch touchscreen seamlessly connected to a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The graphics are sharp, the interface is intuitive, and the voice recognition system responds quickly to natural commands. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bowers and Wilkins sound system, and even an augmented reality navigation feature that overlays directions onto live camera feeds. It's futuristic, immersive, and designed for tech enthusiasts. The Lexus LX, however, takes a more pragmatic approach. It features a 12.3-inch touchscreen paired with a 7-inch climate control display, which creates a layered functional design. The interface is smooth and responsive, but it doesn't feel as cutting-edge as BMW's iDrive. However, Lexus nails it with reliability. No glitches, no fuss. The Mark Levinson surround sound system in higher trims is phenomenal, delivering crisp audio quality. The LX also integrates off-road tech seamlessly, like multi-terrain monitors and real-time pitch/roll displays, which the X7 simply doesn't need. So, who takes the crown in tech? Once again, I'd give the edge to the BMW X7. Its infotainment system is more advanced, immersive, and user-friendly, especially for those who love having the latest gadgets. That said, the LX focuses on functionality and rugged tech that supports its off-road capabilities, which could be more appealing if you're less about flashy screens and more about practical use. When it comes to reliability, the Lexus LX has an almost legendary reputation. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, it's designed to withstand harsh conditions with minimal fuss. Lexus's focus on durability means fewer mechanical issues over time, and it's common to see LX models running strong even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and thanks to Lexus's wide service network, parts availability isn't an issue. Maintenance costs are relatively reasonable for a luxury SUV, with annual service expenses averaging between $500 to $800, depending on usage. Major repairs are rare, which keeps long-term ownership costs low. The BMW X7, while incredibly refined and technologically advanced, doesn't quite match the LX's bulletproof reputation. BMWs are known for their complex engineering, which can lead to higher maintenance costs, especially as the vehicle ages. Routine services, including oil changes and brake pad replacements, tend to be more expensive, often ranging from $1,000 to $1,500 annually. And if something major goes wrong outside of warranty coverage, repairs can be costly due to the high-tech components. However, BMW offers competitive service packages and warranties that can help manage costs in the first few years of ownership. In the second-hand market, the Lexus LX holds its value exceptionally well. Thanks to its reputation for reliability and strong demand, resale prices remain high even after several years. It's not uncommon to see LX models with high mileage still commanding premium prices. The BMW X7, on the other hand, experiences steeper depreciation, especially in the first 3 to 5 years. Luxury vehicles with advanced tech tend to lose value faster due to the cost of out-of-warranty repairs and rapidly evolving technology. So, who's the winner here? If you're looking for a long-term investment with low maintenance costs and strong resale value, the Lexus LX takes the crown. But if you're planning to enjoy the luxury and performance of the X7 under warranty or through a lease, its depreciation might not matter as much. Just be prepared for higher maintenance costs down the road. Safety is a top priority for both the BMW X7 and the Lexus LX, and both SUVs are packed with advanced features to keep you and your passengers protected. The 2025 BMW X7 comes equipped with BMW's Active Driving Assistant Professional, offering features like adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and rear cross-traffic alert. For those seeking even more peace of mind, optional upgrades include a 360-degree camera system with 3D view, evasive steering assist, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. The Lexus LX isn't far behind. It features the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign recognition, and automatic high beams. Lexus has also enhanced its driver attention monitor and added features like trailer sway control, which is a big plus if you plan to tow. So, which one takes the lead? I'd call this a tie. Both SUVs offer comprehensive safety suites that cater to different driving styles. The X7 feels more advanced with its semi-autonomous features, while the LX shines with rugged safety tech that supports off-road and towing activities. Either way, you're in very safe hands. Now let's talk off-road capability, an area where these two SUVs couldn't be more different. The BMW X7 isn't designed for hardcore off-roading. Sure, it has xDrive all-wheel drive, an adaptive air suspension that can raise the ride height, and hill descent control, which helps on steep declines. But the X7 is more of a luxury cruiser with light off-road potential, perfect for gravel roads or snowy conditions, but not much beyond that. The Lexus LX, on the other hand, is in its natural habitat when the pavement ends. Built on a rugged body-on-frame platform derived from the legendary Land Cruiser, the LX comes with full-time four-wheel drive, a Torsen limited slip center differential, and multi-terrain select modes that adjust the vehicle's behavior for mud, sand, rocks, and even snow. Add in crawl control, adaptive variable suspension, and locking differentials, and you've got an SUV that can climb, wade, and conquer just about anything you throw at it. The winner here? It's not even close. Lexus LX dominates this round. Its engineering is purpose-built for off-road adventures, while the X7 is more of a luxury highway king that dabbles in off-road just for fun. Finally, let's talk numbers. The 2025 BMW X7 starts at around $83,000 for the xDrive 40i model, with a high-performance M60i climbing to about $110,000. And that's before adding optional packages like the executive or luxury seating options, which can push the price well beyond $120,000. For that premium, you get cutting-edge tech, a luxurious cabin, and thrilling performance, making it worth every penny if you're looking for a refined, high-end driving experience. The 2025 Lexus LX starts a bit higher, around $93,000, with the range-topping ultra-luxury trim exceeding $130,000 when fully loaded. But here's the thing, while it's more expensive at the base level, the LX comes with many off-road and luxury features standard, reducing the need for expensive add-ons. Plus, its reputation for long-term reliability and strong resale value makes it a solid investment, especially if you plan on keeping it for the long haul. So, who offers the better value? It depends on your priorities. If you're after performance, cutting-edge tech, and dynamic driving, the BMW X7 justifies its price with luxury and excitement. But if you value durability, off-road prowess, and legendary reliability, the Lexus LX offers long-term peace of mind that's hard to beat. At the end of the day, it comes down to this. Are you looking for a luxury SUV that dominates the city streets and highways? Go for the BMW X7. But if your adventures often lead you off the beaten path, where reliability and toughness are key, the Lexus LX is your ultimate companion. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car comparisons just like this.